Hello everyone, if you're searching how to add accessories in Roblox Studio, you are in the right video to watch. And I show you the tutorial of how to add accessories in Roblox Studio. So let's start. This is my model, dummy. If you don't know how to insert, go to view and click toolbox. And you can choose what kind of model you want. So I choose dummy to be my model. Then you can see right here in the bottom, run a command. So copy this. Game get service into service load asset. Copy this load asset and paste it on a run command. And the next thing you will do is go to Roblox site in Marketplace, Roblox Marketplace. You can choose what accessories you want to insert. So let's find. Let's try this Gojo hair. So after you click the accessories you want to insert, go to URL and you will see the code 188-658-15605, etc, etc. And you will copy that only, the number only. Copy that. Then paste it in the run command in the load asset. You will see here the open and close parentheses. Paste the code you copy in the URL. Yes. Then enter. And you will see the workspace. The new accessory. The only thing you will do is drag to dummy. There he is. Gojo hair. Very easy and simple. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from me. So thanks.